What's up team, it's Tiara B, naturally, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get your natural curls into a high puff. Here are a few things I'll be using today, and when I tell you, aside from these products as well as these tools, you're going to need some determination, because here I am just spraying my hair thinking I'm about to go ahead and easily swoop this hair up. And yeah, no. First of all, I'm coming off of an old wash and go, so this is like kind of right before wash day, and so I definitely had to work that moisture in just to even be able to maneuver around my head, honey. So we're starting off with the spray, and then we went ahead in with this gel. And I'm just pretty much at this point kind of working around the perimeter of my hair to see if I can get it sleek. Now, the back was doing good. And honestly, I think the back of my hair is a looser texture. I think we're about 4B back there, and everywhere else is that 4C goodness. But yeah, so I'm just... yeah, I'm making my way around my head. I'm kind of adding product here and there, trying to get a little in the middle as well, and I'm just trying to figure it out. It's been about 2 years probably since I did a high puff, and so I'm just thinking I can go ahead and get it done really quick. But no, it was definitely a lot of just soothing and just trying to see what I can do to help maneuver around my head without pulling on my hair too much. This footage is sped up, so I know it looks like I'm being rough, but I'm pulling it just enough to be able to, maneuver where I want it to go. But hey, at least we're getting somewhere. At this point, I wasn't quite sure if I was going to be able to pull it off, but yes, when I bite that bottom lip, that means I'm determined to win, okay? So I'm trying these little, this little clip situation here for the first time, and as I begin to put it on my head, I was thinking to myself, like, okay, ooh, that's going to be a bit rough. Like, what? I don't know if I really want to put that on my hair, but I'm already invested, so I'm gonna continue. And I just kind of placed it there really carefully and left it alone, and then everywhere else I work to move the hair around. So as I'm holding my hair just kind of taut, I am just pulling it up and moving the band on the inner layer of my hair. And we're getting somewhere. I feel like, you know what, I think I could pull this off. Right now it's a puff, it's not exactly high enough, so I'm trying to like move it up a little bit, at a time. And yeah, now I've got hair kind of sticking up at the top, and I'm trying to figure out the best way to just kind of make it look good. So I'm just adding a little bit more gel up there. Again, wash day is just around the corner at this point, so I'm just lathering on the products, and I got it in. Now we're going to go ahead and try to work on these edges. I told you about that edge booster. It's really good. I do love it. It didn't do as great with the gel underneath it, but using it on fresh hair is much better, and it lays your edges really well and stays for a long time. It didn't do so well here just because I had the gel on top of it, and plus my hair is just kind of old at this point and it's got a lot of product on it. But it worked out for what I was trying to accomplish. Now we're just going to kind of go do some finishing touches using the edge brush, and it's time to try and set the edges. Again, it didn't really do so great, but good enough for the style, and I actually got it a lot sleeker than I thought I was going to be able to. So let's go ahead and see how this all turns out, and make sure that it was nice and tucked behind me. And now I'm just trying to get the last little finishing flyaways there. And I'm just tying this little scarf around. I think I left this tied on my hair for about 10 minutes. I'd suggest, at least maybe 20, because when I took this off, my hair wasn't all the way set yet, but that was fine. At this point, I was just happy that I got it up into a high puff and that my hair looked pretty cute. And yes, I sprayed a little bit more of that spray, that freeze spray, and then I made sure that I covered my hair over just to kind of create this smooth, sleek look. I said a little prayer, and yeah, let's check it out. See how it turned out. I think it turned out super cute. I hope you guys are learning something here. I hope that you can pull this off as well, because yes, look how cute. Except for that little piece was trying to play me. Other than that, it's cute, it's looking moisturized. And yes, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this first scarf here. And at this point is when I realized my hair wasn't dry, but hey, we're gonna keep on going. I got the waves in the back. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take off this little edge setter here. And this part, I was a little disappointed just because I didn't feel like my edges set really good, because I know what this edge booster can do. But at the end of the day, like I said, this hair was kind of old, so not bad for old hair, you know what I'm saying. I was excited about the finished product. I think I did a pretty good job considering it's been a long time since I did one of these. But yeah, comment down below, let me know what you think. Let me know if you think it turned out really good, or if you think I need to try again on hair that is not so old. Anywho, like and subscribe for more tutorials. I'm Tiara B and I am out. Bye for now.